That mechanic no scam. People go join away, they go follow work together. Go pay those people. How much go remain for them? How much you want use for feed the family? How much you want use feed themselves? Some get people where they say they send go school. How many they steal? Where they carry going? The economy don't change. Fresh. Why than the price bread? For this kind of economy, how much dollar be? See, now because of these mechanics, they always scam customers. Go on, they scam car owners. Why after working for like 6 hours, you know the kind of work you do? If you do I beg now, I mean the reason now. If you do if you enter on that motor, you risk your life on that motor. On that motor, you go jack motor, put stand, go enter on that motor. You know the kind of risk we did there. We go enter on that motor for you, go fix your car for you. Yeah, we know say I work, we know say any shut up mechanic. We enter on that motor, we fix car for you from morning to evening. Common suspension, our body go dirty, go walk tired, go sweat under hot sun. The sun dey hot. Go dey there, we know the color AC, go dey office, so you go dey fuck. Go finish. Go dey tell us here. 5K or back 3K. You know fresh now. I don't want to fresh. You don't come dey expect me mechanic dey fresh, maybe they fine. You know, they find mechanic dey fresh, we look cool, we look cute, and you want give him 5K. I need to take the maintain body. Reason na imagine cautious man learn work for like me mechanic learn work for 8 years. You know how many fun bet you collect? That's you know but I will show more share. You are more share you go choking go collect fan belt for back. Both go the motor go dey tear your hand, engine go dey burn your hand. Come finish your body see you collect. Now why mechanic is scam customer? Me na the reason now. No, it don't make sense. No fresh. When I talk, and I go dey expect mechanic no scam. That mechanic no scam. And they back 5K. How much you want inside that 5K? People go join away. They go follow work together. Go pay those people. How much go remain for them? How much you want use for feed the family? How much you want use feed themselves? Some get people where they say they send go school. How many they steal? How many they carry going? It doesn't make mechanic no scam now. Why you no go scam you? No, I mean the reason and I know fresh. Why than the price bread? See, for this kind of economy, how much dollar be now? Can you tell me I collect 5K for diagnosis? Okay. She price. Now how much I buy the diagnostic system, the diagnostic device itself. She might turn dancing. Because don't turn 360, tell one turn 800 insane. She me I know they do like that, me I know they talk like that. Before you call me, reason I'm first. No tell me 5K. I go to carry gun, I can't. Which kind of thing me down? 5K, bravo. How much they spend in a day? Even motor gun, they collect past 5K in a day. How much for you go buy? To come up from mainland, go island. It isn't a 5K for you go buy. But nobody do like that too. No fresh. No, casuals, we don't know buy. Go fresh. My don't move cautious. My gbati mo jet. My gbati mo jet. Of course, I be motor la rush le. La dirty be your day. When you walk out and down, those girls they use me laugh. No man thing. Now my job with that. But really, my mama 5K no more. I you buy 5K more. So they record 5 naira answer. So economy don't change. Everything don't dey rise. So mechanic services don't dey rise. I might pay 5K. Position 5K more. I change break. I pay 5K.